In front of me is TECLAST T60 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications. Then hit App Notifications and tap on Most Recent over here. Now it's time to select one of those options to sort your apps. I will go with by most frequent notifications, and to block any of them, tap on blue switchers next to chosen apps. You can switch them back on by clicking on the same no gray switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on any app on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!